What's up with your world, all my germaphobes out there? This is Lyndon coming at you from lovely Las Vegas. As you can tell, it's pretty cold out here, as it is wintertime all throughout the nation. Um, but I was just out here, in the cold, kind of thinking and reflecting on what makes Germz Be Gone different from the competition out there. The other myriad of cleaning services and companies that promise different things and this, that, and the other. And one thing that comes to mind is, and I wasn't talking to my colleagues about this, but reflecting on talking to my colleagues earlier this afternoon, how many cleaning services and companies and disinfecting services and disinfecting this, that, and the other do you know of who actually have a conference call and talk about how to best serve their customers? What do I mean by that? Well, one, it could be an advancement in technology. Who's used the latest equipment? What are your pros and cons that you see about it? This, that, and the other, right? Kind of just sharing perspective in that regard. It could be a different process, a different method that we come across, that we've used, that say, that actually makes sense. I'm gonna try that next time. It seems like I might be able to get better results. Or it could be something as simple as just changing our perspective and how we may approach a certain situation or moment, and how we might want to wake up in the morning, so to speak, like something as basic and as fundamental as that. But in having this conversation with my colleagues, Joel and Kadri, it just kind of sparked that I don't know of many cleaning companies out there that do this. Number one, they're just mom and pop, right? No fault of theirs. I mean, they believe me, they're making good money. They're out here thriving in this environment with the pandemic and all that kind of stuff, right? But are they really the innovators, the pioneers and the edge pushers, if you will, of the industry? My answer would be no. They are extra slow adopters. I've seen that across the board, even in people who still use string mops, for instance. Um, but that's neither here nor there. I mean, there's a customer for everybody, and there's a company for everybody, right? So I don't look any kind of way upon that. But the customers that we want to attract with Germz Be Gone are the ones who understand what the battle is on the forefront of germs and be it viruses, bacteria, fungi, whatever. And when we're talking in terms of ultra low volume foggers, electrostatic foggers and sprayers and all that kind of stuff, EPA list N registered disinfectants. We are in a whole different class of cleaning service and cleaning company. And yeah, I say that to toot my own horn. At the same time, it's the truth. I mean, you might see me in my hoodie and my beanie out here because it's cold. But there's been a lot of research. There continues to be a lot of research and education and experimenting and verifying and all that kind of stuff that we do behind the scenes that nobody sees. And what I would like to do in 2021 is kind of let y'all behind the scenes so you can see a little bit more of what's going on. Because not all companies are created equal. All men and women are, yes. All companies, no. And with that, I'm just going to say Happy New Year. I look forward to connecting with y'all and building a larger community. And yeah, let's prosper. Let's get it. Peace.